Okay, this is a Hardinge chucker, model HCAT with the automatic threading attachment. Serial number HC5540T. That's your coolant motor. This is the back of your automatic threading unit. That's your valve there. Your turret, travadial, which you see works. Angel's going to run her for you. This machine's original paint, by the way. He's moving both cross feed and longitudinal feed, and again the travadial. Do that again. Travadial working.
Variable speed here.
Variable speed. Okay, speed it up. That's faster, and that's slowed down. That's slower, and that's faster. Okay, indexing the turret. Okay, piece of tooling. All right. Different speed ranges. Reverse.
It's the lowest.
The low range. High.
And 3.
Yeah, the top speed. We're all the way up.
3,000, right there.
3,000 RPM.
Wow. It's quiet.
Sounds quiet. Okay. I guess just open the door and we'll see inside. Nice and clean, the screw. Now you variate it, the belt. There are some collets, your tray, and there's a 3-jaw chuck. There's the multi-stop. That's your valve there from Hardinge. Again, that's your lead. Put it down. Put it down there. It sits on the follow.
Right here.
Okay. Again, it's original paint. And thank you for watching the video.